Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And do not look at my nails because I did not get them done. Little buddy did not feel good, so I had to cancel it. I was going to do it all on my comp day, where I was going to drop him off at school, go get my oil change, go to work. When I get off work, I was going to go get my nails done. Had it all planned and I didn't get it done. So we are going to, and you can hear the train in the background, so we're just going to take it as it is and we're going to do this video. Okay, all right, so I haven't made a video in a while because I've been pretty much working on orders and ordering some new things, and we're going to be doing my second side hustle paycheck of March 2023. Now, I don't pay myself a lot because I like having a lot of my cash that I get from my side hustle. I do like to have that go back into my business checking, so that way I can buy supplies and everything like that to make new things and fun stuff for you guys. Okay, now I am a little bit out of breath. Y'all, I need to join the gym or do something or go walking because I just ran up like 9 or 10 steps. I went up and went down and I am like out of breath. So y'all hear me breathing heavy? I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and count our cash. And I got something kind of fun that I'm gonna start doing. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, so the amount of cash we're going to be counting is $185. So we are going to go ahead and count. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Say, wait a minute, Tina. You got more cash in your hand. Okay, all right, I'm going to show you guys. I mean, if you're looking at it now, you probably see something. All right. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I thought it would be pretty cool. So I found some freaking star notes. Yeah, I found a few of them. So I was thinking about just doing, look at this. So I was thinking about just doing like a little binder with different star notes. And then if I find like some funny money, I can put those in. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have like $6. I'm wondering if I'm gonna go ahead and, so I was just basically going to keep it in like a little binder like this. And I do have some other, so I'm gonna show you so you guys can see. Now I had these stashed. I didn't know where I put these at. These are like kind of worn out, but I did find them. I don't know why I hid them. So I have this. So this says 2013, but look at the numbers. And then I have this that says 1977. And then check out this. I don't know if I showed you guys this or not, but I do have these too. So I had this here. I know this is not cash stuff and this is a little bit off topic. And I have this bill. I've had these stashed for a while. I didn't realize I still had these. And I have this. And this one is like a really nice grade. Look at the back. And that is a $2 bill. And look at this one, is really crispy too. That looks like the normal $1 bill. Then I have this one. This one is pretty crispy too. And then, oh yeah, this one is the cool one. So this is like crazy looking. And then that's the back of that. So I was going to actually, like all of my $1 star notes, I was going to actually just put them in here. I know, y'all, we're supposed to be doing cash stuffing, but these are freshly opened envelopes here. So I guess this is kind of like funny money, I guess. And I think I'll probably just put this in my safe deposit box that I have, so that I'm not like just keeping it here. And I'm gonna put this in here too. Yeah, I forgot that I had all this extra cash cash. This is just like cash that if I get cash back or something like that, I'll just keep it. And some of these I don't remember where I got them from. So I'm gonna put those there. Okay. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna put it in here. And that looks pretty cool, right? I think it looks, the star knits are cool, but I think it looks pretty cool when it gets to the back here with all these old bills. All right, so it's already pretty much almost filled up. Okay, all right, so now let's go ahead and see what we got going on. Okay, so for side hustle pay, we are going to be doing $185. First, we're going to do our sinking funds, and our sinking funds are in our important binder. And I am going to actually grab my trackers, and we just need to get to emergency funds. All right. So emergency funds, like I said, we're adding $50, and that is what we're adding. So we're going to go ahead and do 50, and then put 50 here. All right. So 326. Yeah, I am like super late doing this, but it's okay. So we should have 600 in emergency funds. I'm just gonna stick that back there. I should dry it really quick though. All right, so that should be all the way back here. Dropped all my money. All of my money. Okay. So we said we should have how much? 600? Yeah. So we got 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 50, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600. All right. So that is spot on point. So that is all we're going to be doing out of our important binder. And then I can go ahead and put all my trackers back in. Okay. All right, so now what I need to do is I need to get rid of my coin that I have. So I am actually going to, I told you I got a lot of stuff that I need to do. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all this coin that I have. And y'all, this little Dooney pouch I got from Macari. You can find so much old school stuff on there. This is definitely a little vintage purse from Dooney and Burke. All right, so, oop, that does not go in there. Okay. Alright, so we got all of our coin out the way. Because when I'm done with my, like when my coin fills up, I use it as like put it in savings or I pay debt or whatever I need to do. So that's what I do with the coin that I have left over. And this is just from using the money from my cash envelope, everyday spending wallet. Okay. Alright, so, oops, girl, I am knocking my cash tray over. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch over. Next time you see guys, I probably will switch back to my wallet, but for right now, I have my wallet here. I like to switch wallets back and forth. I don't know about you guys, but I like to do that. All right, so for personal, we are going to do $25, so we're going to do $120 and $15. So let's go find personal, and this is for me, so $20, $25. All right, so next we have Aiden. So Aiden will get $10. So we're gonna do one $10 bill. All right, and we're gonna go back to Crisp and Boba. Crisp and Boba. All right, so Chris and Boba will each, so it doesn't matter which order I go, they will each get $5. Okay. All right, and we are finished with my everyday spending wallet. Super quick, super fast. Okay, so now we're gonna do our savings challenges, and we are going to be doing our 52 weeks. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and move my budget book out the way here, so we have some room. So I kind of like jumped around a little bit because I have it where I can check off the boxes that I need, so that made it so it won't be so confusing. So we are actually going to be doing week 5, which is $6. So we're gonna go and check that. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be $6 there. Okay, and then we are going to be doing week 8. And we're just gonna do a $10 bill because I don't have any change and I'm not trying to make a big old scene for that. So we're just gonna do $10. And then we're gonna do week 7. And then that will be $8, but we're gonna do an even $10, so that makes it even better. So we'll have a little bit extra towards the end. Or if you wanna get change, you can do that, but I'm just not gonna worry about that. Okay. And I do have some more of these available on the site. I think there's some left. You just have to check it because I'm not sure, because they like go super fast. Okay, so next we're gonna do our 12 months of savings. And I can get rid of this. Okay, now for our 12 month of savings, we are going to do $24 this time. So I am going to check that. And we are in the month of March. So let's find our March. And I do have some of these on the website too. Now the amount of them, I'm not sure, so you'll just have to check and see. So we're doing $24, so we're gonna do 120, and we're 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got $24. Helps if I add this money to it, right? So we got $24 there. So we're gonna put this in here. And oh, I did get questions of how much does this challenge save you at the end of the year. I didn't put an exact month. As you can see, I have saved and I left that blank because you add a different amounts here if you have extra cash. So that's why I didn't put an exact amount of how much you save, because it could be different from what all of these are. So that's why I ended up doing that. Okay. All right, so we have that one. And then next we are going to be adding to my favorite, my $1,000. All right, so next we're going to be adding to my favorite, my $1,000 savings challenge. I love this thing. I've already completed it. I'm starting it over. And we are going to be doing $40. So we're going to check the box. And we're going to do 2 20s. All right. And there we go. Super easy and simple. All right, guys, we are done with our savings challenges and our side hustle pay. Thank you so much for chilling with me, y'all. It has been a long time for a video, but I've been actually working and doing things. So thank you guys so much. And then my book with all of the adding it all together, I'll just do that behind the scenes. And if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, it's called APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok. And make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share, guys. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys.